When we talk about the living room, one of the first things that comes to mind is the television. It is often the heart of the home, the place where we gather with family, relax after a long day, watch movies, sports, series, or simply spend quality time together. But something that many people underestimate is how important the TV stand really is. Having an adequate TV stand is not just about placing a screen on a piece of furniture. It directly affects comfort, safety, organization, aesthetics, and even the way we enjoy our entertainment experience. A well-chosen TV stand can completely transform a space, make it more functional, more beautiful, and more enjoyable for everyday life. One of the greatest advantages of having the right TV stand is organization. Without a proper place to store devices, cables, remote controls, game consoles, sound systems, and accessories, the living room can quickly become messy and visually chaotic. An adequate TV stand helps you keep everything in one place. It allows you to organize your devices neatly, hide messy cables, and create a clean and balanced look. This visual order does not only make the room look better, it also creates a sense of calm and comfort. When your space is organized, your mind also feels more relaxed, and that directly improves your well-being. Another very important benefit is safety. Many people place their televisions on unstable furniture, on improvised tables, or even hung without proper support. This can be extremely dangerous, especially if there are children, pets, or elderly people in the home. A well-designed TV stand is built to support the weight and size of modern televisions. It provides stability, reduces the risk of the TV falling, and protects both your loved ones and your expensive electronic equipment. When you choose the right TV stand, you are not only investing in furniture, you are investing in peace of mind. Comfort is another key point that cannot be ignored. The height and position of your TV directly affect your posture and your viewing experience. Watching TV at the wrong height can cause neck pain, back discomfort, eye strain, and headaches over time. An adequate TV stand helps you position the screen at the correct eye level when you are seated. This allows you to enjoy movies, shows, and games without physical discomfort. It may seem like a small detail, but over the years, it makes a huge difference in your daily comfort and health. From a decorative point of view, a TV stand plays a fundamental role in the overall style of your living room. It is not just a functional piece, it is also a visual focal point. The right TV stand can enhance the style of your space, whether it is modern, minimalist, rustic, industrial, classic, or elegant. It can bring warmth through wood tones, elegance through glossy finishes, or a clean look through neutral colors. When the TV stand matches the rest of your decor, everything feels more harmonious and intentional. The room looks designed, not improvised. Another powerful advantage is space optimization. Many homes, especially apartments and smaller houses, have limited space. An adequate TV stand helps you make the most of every square meter. There are TV stands with shelves, drawers, cabinets, and even vertical storage that allow you to store books, decorations, sound systems, and many other items without taking up extra space. Some models are designed specifically for corners, which is perfect for small rooms. This multifunctionality turns the TV stand into one of the most practical pieces of furniture in the house. Let's also talk about the emotional and lifestyle benefits. The living room is often where we recharge emotionally. It is where we laugh, relax, share stories, watch inspiring content, or disconnect from daily stress. When your living space is well organized, comfortable, and visually pleasing, those moments become even more special. A good TV stand contributes to that atmosphere of comfort and enjoyment. It makes your entertainment area feel intentional and inviting, not messy or chaotic. One of the most overlooked benefits of an adequate TV stand is cable management. Modern entertainment systems involve multiple devices, and with them come multiple cables. Without good cable management, wires end up tangled, visible, and very unattractive. Many TV stands come with built-in holes, channels, and compartments specifically designed to hide and organize cables. This not only improves the appearance of your room, but also reduces dust accumulation and lowers the risk of tripping over loose wires. Now let's talk about the importance of choosing the right size. One of the most common mistakes is buying a TV stand that is too small or too large for the television. If the stand is too small, it looks unbalanced and increases the risk of the TV falling. If it is too large, it can overwhelm the room and make the space feel crowded. The ideal TV stand should be wider than the television by several inches on each side. This creates visual balance and also provides extra surface space for decorative elements. Material selection is also extremely important. The most common materials include wood, engineered wood, metal, glass, or a combination of these. Solid wood brings warmth, durability, and a timeless look. Engineered wood can be more affordable and offers many modern finishes. Metal adds an industrial and contemporary feel. Glass brings lightness and elegance, but it also requires more maintenance. The right choice depends on your lifestyle, your budget, and the overall style of your home. Color also plays a big role. Neutral colors like white, gray, beige, and black are very versatile and fit into almost any decor style. Dark wood creates a cozy and classic feeling, while light wood feels fresh and modern. If you want your TV stand to stand out as a decorative statement, you can choose bold colors, but always make sure they harmonize with the rest of your space. Another important aspect is storage needs. Before choosing a TV stand, you should think about what you need to store. Do you have many game consoles, DVDs, books, speakers, routers, or decorative objects? Then you will need a TV stand with sufficient drawers, shelves, and cabinets. If you prefer a clean and minimalist look, closed storage is ideal to hide clutter. If you enjoy displaying decor, open shelves work beautifully. Wall-mounted TV stands and floating units have also become extremely popular. They create a modern and elegant look, make cleaning easier, and give a sense of lightness to the room. However, they require proper installation and a solid wall. Floor-standing units, on the other hand, are more traditional, easier to install, and offer more storage capacity. Both options are excellent when chosen correctly. Another key benefit of having the right TV stand is energy efficiency. When devices are properly ventilated and organized, they operate more efficiently. You avoid overheating, unnecessary power usage, and premature wear. This may seem minor, but over time it contributes to lower energy consumption and longer device lifespan. For families, the TV stand also becomes a shared storage center. It can store board games, controllers, family photo albums, and media accessories. It becomes part of daily routines and shared experiences. For people who work from home, especially in multifunctional spaces, the TV stand can also serve as a visual boundary between relaxation and work. When the entertainment area is well defined and organized, it becomes easier to separate work hours from rest time. Another important advantage is adaptability. Many modern TV stands are modular, meaning you can move, expand, or rearrange them as your needs change. This is ideal for growing families, people who move frequently, or those who enjoy updating their home decor from time to time. Let's also talk about how a TV stand protects your walls. Without proper furniture, placing devices directly against the wall can cause scratches, stains, and cable damage. A TV stand creates a protective buffer between your electronics and your wall surfaces. For people who love sound systems, the right TV stand improves acoustic performance. It allows you to properly place soundbars, speakers, and subwoofers at the correct height and position, enhancing sound quality and creating a more immersive experience. If you like DIY projects, you can even customize your TV stand with paint, decorative panels, lighting strips, or handles. This allows you to create a unique piece that fits your exact taste and space. The truth is that a TV stand is not just furniture. It is an investment in comfort, safety, organization, style, and quality of life. It shapes how you experience entertainment, how you relax, how your living room feels, and how your home is perceived by guests. When chosen wisely, an adequate TV stand becomes one of the most useful and appreciated pieces of furniture in the entire home. It supports your technology, enhances your decor, protects your family, organizes your space, and elevates your everyday moments of relaxation. So if you are thinking about changing your TV stand, upgrading your living room, or setting up a new home, do not underestimate the power of this piece of furniture. Take your time to choose the right one, measure your space, think about your habits, and invest in something that truly adds value to your life. Because at the end of the day, your home should be the place where you feel most comfortable, most relaxed, and most inspired. And sometimes, something as simple as the right TV stand can make all the difference.